the first light of morning appears, our kitchen comes alive in service. From this hour begins a divine service, preparing food for thousands of hungry souls. The first task starts with peeling the fresh vegetables, followed by careful chopping, ensuring quality and cleanliness at every step. Next comes roti preparation. The journey begins with kneading the dough, then shifting it to the roti-making machine. One by one, hot rotis are stacked neatly into containers. After roti, rice. Cooking begins in large quantities, cooked with precision and devotion. Cleaning and organization, maintaining the highest standards of hygiene. Dal is boiled and finished with a rich tadka, while fresh vegetables are cooked into simple, nourishing sabji, together making a wholesome meal. Behind every meal is not just food, but compassion, devotion, and a heartfelt desire to serve. Finally, the journey of love and service reaches those who need it most. We serve in hospitals, where meals are completely free for all patients. And at Annapurna centers, where laborers receive wholesome meals at just 5 rupees, affordable, nourishing, and filled with care.
मेरा नाम पिंटू है। मैं जब से खाना शुरू हुआ, जब से मैं ले रहा हूँ खाना, बहुत अच्छा है और बहुत टेस्टी खाना है।
Across Gujarat, this seva expands to 16 districts with 28 kitchens, serving 6,500 patients in hospitals, 7,500 students in schools, and 25,000 laborers daily through 145 booths.